If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then do not miss this video. Hey traders, welcome to Elliott Wave's weekly forex forecast. Guys, with the war breaking out in the Middle East, the outcome remains unpredictable. So believe it or not, we have seen that coming from the charts anyway. How can this be possible, Alan? We have seen gold pushing the upside, US oil pushing the upside, crypto taking a hit, and US30 is about all-time high. So anyway, we set to US30, 50k, and then we'll get a drop after that. That's exactly what the market have done. So for traders and investors, this week's forecast focuses more on how uncertainty drives capital flow. For that, I'll start with gold as well this week. As most of you know, we're biased to the upside, and market went up as expected, as usual, or as most of the times. And proof for that, of course, back to this one here. This was our last week's video. As you can see, this is 6 days ago here. And by the way, guys, thanks a lot for all of your liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. So if you have any question to me, you can put in the comment section. I will try my best to reply as soon as I can. So for this one, this was last week's video, and we said to you guys we are biased to the upside for gold. That's exactly what the market have done, regardless of any meetings that they have done last week between US and Iran. We have seen this is coming, guys, all right? So for this, unfortunately, the war has started today and no one knows how and when it will end. But for that, you will get some opportunities that you can take advantage of and make money trading the next wave. So for this one, that's the aftermarket went up as well here, give us a corrective structure up, another opportunity, and then up again. Those of you are missing the Saturday sessions, and once you join WTW Pro, you will get access to the Sunday session and to the Wednesday updates as well that are covered by T on a weekly basis. How this can help you guys, we are giving you the updates on a daily basis with the seniors, and with the T actually giving the sessions on Sunday and Wednesday, so you get updates on a daily basis from Elliott Waves. Those of you are new to Elliott Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end, guys, to not miss anything like I said to you. And those of you who want to know more about our servers, you can check the website here. It's elliotwaves.com. You can check this video, or you can keep watching till the end. I'll pause the video at the end. Even all the details are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. Okay, so for this one, for gold, most probably market will open with a gap. It will give us a corrective structure, and then up again. It will shoot up without actually any major corrective structure. So for this one, if things will stay the same, if the war will escalate, most probably, unfortunately, this will happen. So market will go to the upside for gold. Any buy setup, you can take it. But make sure, guys, to protect your capital and follow Elliott Waves for golden rules. It's not about all in. It's not about gambling. It's not about actually transfer all your savings to gold. It's not like that. Trading and investing, guys, is about trading smart and investing wisely. That's the most important part. How to do that? If you don't know how to do it, you can join us. We'll teach you everything from A to Z inside WTW Pro. Okay, so for this one, up is the move. We are biased to the upside for another push up for gold next week. If you want to know the levels will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. He will start it at 11 a.m. UK time as usual. So for this, I hope this is clear. DXY, which is actually the dollar index, for this one, guys, we might be getting a change of structure. What do you mean by that, Alan? Market is correcting here before breaking this top, which means most probably will go for up before any next move. This will push to the upside, guys, because dollar usually is a safe haven asset. Most investors and most traders actually, they take this one as a safe haven asset, and they will start to buy dollar, especially during the war. Even if this is against, or actually with US, this will go to the upside after the corrective structure. We can be wrong. Market can flip in 1 hour if things changes, but based on the current situation, that's why you have to follow us, guys, on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, and even if you can join us, guys, you'll get the updates even on a daily basis from us. Okay, so for this one, the bias is towards the upside for now. Any change of structure will update you during the Saturday session if you are actually watching us here, or if you join, you will get the update instantly. For this one, any buy set, I will go for it. After this up wave, we'll update you. For now, up is the move for the XY. Euro dollar, for this one, market actually is correcting for another drop. I can see this one falling to the downside after a complete corrective structure, and if we get a sell setup. For this one, guys, euro dollar is toward the downside for us. After this up, we'll update you. For now, this is down. Any sell setup, I'll go for it. Alan, what if you are wrong? If I am wrong, I'll not be actually be in the trade, or if I'm risking, I'll be risking small. That's exactly what you should do as well. Do not follow blindly, and do not over risk, do not overtrade. Follow Elliott Waves for golden rules in any single trade you take. That's essential. That's a golden rule, and that's what we set to our members once they join and from day one. Follow Elliott Waves for golden rules, guys, because your goal is to make consistent profits on a monthly basis. And thank God we have successfully actually We are able to do that for ourselves, for our investors, because we have private investors as well. We manage money, and we also have investors who trade physical gold. Anyway, this is a long story, but for you guys, you have to focus on reiterate 4 golden rules to protect your capital before you risk your money. So for this one, the bias is toward the downside first before any next structure. Pound dollar, for this one, market actually is giving us a corrective structure again. I am biased to the downside regardless if this become an expanding flat from push up. I'll be focusing on the sell setup. Even from here, corrective structure or more drop. In all the cases, sell, drop is the move for the pound dollar, guys, for now. The structure might be changing or might become a complex. For that, you have to follow, guys, step by step, wave by wave, and trade just short term. Do not hold your trades for long unless it's actually investment or unless it's gold, okay? So for this one, corrective structure or more drop is what I can see next for pound dollar. After this up, guys, I want you to really be careful on what to do next, because this fall, it can just be a wick or it can be a big impulsive wave to the downside. For this, we'll update our members tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. If you want to know more about our service, like I said to you, go to the website here, you check this video, or you can just keep watching till the end. I'll post this video at the end of this. Okay, so for this one, for pound dollar, I hope this is clear. Gold, we have covered it. Aussie dollar, for this one, market is correcting for round push up to break the top. After breaking this top, we'll update you, because after this one, if we get a sell setup, we'll go for the sell setup. Remember this, guys, if we get a sell setup for now, and market actually, it can give us a corrective structure or a drop first before the next up wave, and then after this up wave, market will give us a sell setup. And if we get the sell setup, we'll go for the sell. That's why first thing first, up before the next structure for Aussie dollar. If I want to keep it simple for you guys, up before the next drop. Alan, again, one more time. What if you are wrong? If I'm wrong, guys, I don't want you to follow blindly. We have our risk management, money management strategies. Everything will be shared internally for WeTrade's Pro members. Okay, so for this one, I hope this is clear. New Zealand dollar, for this, exactly the same. We can get a corrective structure, one more drop before the next up wave. For this one, guys, we will be focusing on the buy setups, by the way. If we get a buy setup from here, we'll go for it. If market push to the upside, give us a corrective structure, this will be a buy. Okay, this is the structure that will follow. If we get this one, guys, this is a buy, okay, to the upside. But if market will give us one push up and then a drop under this low, you look for the buy setups again. For New Zealand dollar, guys, I'm biased to the upside. I'll not take sell setups. It's just buy to me. Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar, they are buy for now, okay? But again, not blindly. We have levels, we have structures that we are following. All of this will be covered internally for WTW Pro members. Dorian, for this one, market actually is correcting for another push up. For this one, I can see this corrective structure, one push up before the next move. If we get a buy setup, we will be going for the buy setups for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss, before I jump to dollar Swiss, guys, I want to show you something, or let me go to more pairs and I'll show you this after. Dollar Swiss, for this one, this can become a contracting triangle here as a corrective structure. So that's the drop. We have A, B, C, D, E, and then another drop. If we get here a corrective structure to the upside, one more drop will be coming. I'll be waiting for this one and then a sell setup to go for the sell if I want to sell dollar Swiss. For this one, guys, this is still toward the downside to me. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves corrective structure. This is a form of a contracting triangle here, in case you don't know. This is the impulse, this is the corrective structure from to here, and that's the drop that will be coming next. Again, all what I'll wait for is a corrective structure upwards before the next fall, if this will be coming. I hope this clear, guys, for you, okay? CAD, for this one, this is a corrective structure here before the next up wave. I'm expecting this one to push to the upside. The levels will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss them. Why the Sunday sessions are important, Alan? Because it's more than 1.5 to 2 hour session. We cover geopolitics, minors, majors, all the pairs, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks. And if you have any question, you can ask live. If you have any question about any stock, you can ask it live, and then you can get the answer. Again, the most important part in tomorrow's session is the geopolitics part at the beginning. Because geopolitics, guys, they play a big role on predicting the next wave. That's why we have high accuracy, because we are combining fundamental analysis with weighted wave analysis concept. It's a all-in-one solution. It's one powerful concept, guys, that gives us high accuracy. That's why knowing the geopolitics, your ability to read the charts, your ability to read the market maker psychology, it's essential, guys, even during the war situations. So for this one, I hope this is clear. Yes, all for this one, guys, I really hope most of you made money trading this up wave, trading this up wave, and this up move as well. As most of you know, we're biased to the upside since the start of the year. And we knew that, like I said to you, we're having signs that the war will start unfortunately, and then something will happen. This is from gold pushing the upside, from US oil pushing the upside, and this will push up. I'll tell you why shortly. Bitcoin taking a hit, and US30 at 50K, we've got a drop. All of this, guys, was a sign to us that, all right, something big is happening, guys. You are preparing for something big. It might be part of the changing world order. This is something big that we discussed internally. But anyway, for you guys who are following us here, I'm just giving you a simple bias just to not complicate your life and complicate actually you regarding the predictions that we are giving. But all what you have to know is actually the bias and the direction. Everything else we are doing it actually ourselves, and we are going here just to give you the bias that most of the times it's correct. And again, we are not selling you any dream here. If you want to become a successful trader, you have to study, you have to learn the right way. And by the way, guys, before I continue about what's next for US oil, I just want to show you something regarding our partner, Trade Nation. Trade Nation, guys, they won actually the FX and CFD broker in the UK award for Trading View. Again, if you would like, you can sign up with them. It's actually a lot of our traders are signing up with them and they are trading with them. If you want to know how to do that, you can just go to this one here. You can sign up from this link on our website, or you can simply go to the description under this video or the first comment. Everything is there. So congrats to Trade Nation. It's actually very good to see you guys winning this one. Congratulations. So back to US oil. What's next, Alan, for this one? I'm still expecting this, guys, to push to the upside. Any corrective structure will push this, by the way, will open with a gap most probably. And after that, any corrective structure will push this to the roof. Why is that, Alan? Because most probably Iran will close the Hormuz Strait. And if that happens, guys, US oil price will push to the upside. It will shoot to the roof. And again, if you're in the buy, manage your stops and let the market unfold. That's why, guys, if you took any of these predictions, any of these buys, you must be in big profits right now. And if you are not, you have to wait our instructions during the Sunday sessions once they update, and even the daily sessions. This one, guys, corrective structure up is what I can see next regarding the bias of US oil. Okay, so Bitcoin, as most of you know, I was biased to the downside. Even internally, we have said to you during the Sunday and Wednesday update, if you remember, one push up, guys, will be coming before the next drop. If you took this buy, you must have made money. T said to you guys, this going to the upside first before the next structure. And this, we're expecting this to go the upside to break this top before the drop. But even due to the station, market went up only like that, and then we've got this drop after. What's next, Alan? The 50 and 45K, guys, is still the same to me. 45K will get hit after drop and then corrective structure and then another fall, or even if this will give us another push up from here. After the completion of this running flat, one more fall will be coming. Alan, what is the scenario of this one? The scenario, guys, is if the investors will take Bitcoin as a safe haven again and will start to get Bitcoin to get rid of cash and get rid of their stocks, or this will continue to the downside because crypto market don't like uncertainty. Do you want to gamble this upwave? Personally, I will not do it. I'll be waiting for market to reach this level to invest heavily from here. Alan, what if market will not go to this level? I'm already in, guys, and we are applying DCA, which is dollar cost averaging strategy. For this one, also we teach you investing internally. It's not about only teaching trading. It's not about support resistance, guys. It's not about Elliott Waves. It's about a whole complete solution for you if you want to become a successful trader or investor. So WTW Pro, guys, is ultimate solution for traders or investors like you. Okay, so for this one, like I said to you, I'm still biased to the downside. If the war will escalate, and most probably it will, this will keep pushing the downside after a corrective structure. And if this happens, guys, any pullback is a sell opportunity if you are trading. If you are investing, you just start to collect or accumulate from here. And I would say the bottom for me is 45K for Bitcoin. If this happens, guys, I don't want you to miss the buy. Even if whoever is buying, the orange guy, I don't want to actually name to not advertise anyone, but just saying, you know who is the orange guy. So for this one, even if he's buying from here, he's in unrealized actually loss of billions of dollars. But regardless, Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin actually is a fixed supply asset, which means most probably it will be pushing the upside after this storm. So under this low, the liquidity, most of them will be gone. And if this happens, guys, one push up will be coming to break this top one more time. If not now, next month. If not next month, after a few months. Oh, Alan, this long term, how can we take advantage right now? I'm telling you, if you're a trader, you can start to sell. Or if you want to take advantage of the pullbacks, You can buy under this low, try actually this buy under this low for this to become just a running flat in the middle, but this is a very risky trade to go for this buy, okay? If this happens again, the details guys, I'm showing you the details. If this happens, market will push the upside to break this up one more time, it will be temporary, and after that, market will be falling, okay? I gave you all scenarios guys. So the levels will be shared tomorrow anyway by T, and if you have any question, you can ask T tomorrow live for WTW Pro members. US30, most of you remember the 50K level. We have set to you more than once here and even during the Sunday sessions. The 50K, right? Which is here. And then market went to the upside, tapped 50K, and then we've got this drop. Corrective structure drop, pull back, and then a drop. What's next, Alan? I'm expecting this guys to fall more. If we get a corrective structure, another top will be coming. This was the last top for now. And again, this drop might become impulsive and it can actually move quite sharper. So for this one, if you're in the sell, manage your stops and let the market unfold. S&P 500, exactly the same. If I go to this one just to show you. All of you guys who are following us, you should remember we set to you 7K level. If you remember this one, guys, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. The 7K, just market tapped 7K and then started to drop. What's next? Like I said to you, we might be getting one more drop here and then another fall to become. But regardless of that, the levels will be shared tomorrow. Do not miss the session, guys, and all of you are watching till the end. Thanks for watching. I see all of you next Saturday, and watch this video if you want to know more about our service. Thank you very much. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of Free Trade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1, start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple: build the foundation. Step 2, go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it, take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about Free Trade Waves wave analysis concept. Strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3, the Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of Free Trade Waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4, join the day live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5, this is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6, WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And you are not a signal service anyway. Even if you have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the day live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7, trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to Free Trade Waves Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.